At Gulffood Manufacturing, we are going to meet Pavel Chistav and Steve Austin, sales manager of the Italian company Boato Pack. Pavel, could you tell us more about Boato Pack packaging lines and also about customers' targets?
Hi Sonia, sure. Welcome at Gulffood Manufacturing on our stand. Boato Pack is an Italian company manufacturing multi-lane sachet machines and stick pack machines, as well as secondary packaging. So we do also complete lines. Machines are 100% manufactured in Italy.
Why you are at Gulffood Manufacturing? How much is important for you Middle East market?
Middle East market, Asian market, and African markets are all very important and fastly growing over the years. And Gulffood Manufacturing, we think, is the best opportunity to, let's say, represent our products on the markets.
Got it. There is a specific line that you are proposing to this area.
Yes, we have developed an entry-level machine, a smaller machine, but I would like my colleague Steve Austin to talk about that.
Okay, so let's give the stage to Steve Austin. Steve, could you tell us more about the packaging line you are proposing to the Middle East?
Absolutely. As you know, it's my favorite machine. It's the little beast, as I call her. It's the smallest machine, but the production is absolutely incredible. It has high capacity, same as our bigger sisters. For example, 1,000 on an 8 line, obviously, 1,000 ketchup sachets per minute. Its modularity is built modular in a way that you can actually change parts of the machine, so you can actually do format changes. If you're doing sachets for ketchup, and eventually you want to do for, say, for example, paste, with a simple format change, you can change those and start producing on the same machine paste at bigger sachets. It is definitely a good starter machine for small businesses that want to start up, eventually grow, and because of its modularity and its possibility of changing formats, it gives opportunity to also address the market.
So which are the main targets where you address this line?
Well, food, obviously. Food is the main. Ketchup paste production is very big for all our machines, obviously. But we also do powder, so it is versatile. It actually covers quite a bit of the markets. So we're looking at food markets, also non-food. For example, we do wet wipes to clean the glasses. The machines can produce for also powders. That could be soap powders, could be different types of powdered milk, for example, or spices. Also, we can work with shampoos.
Could you tell us more about the export? So do you export worldwide?
Oh yes, we do. Actually, 80% or 90% of our business is international. We only do 10% of the business in Italy, but the rest is outside. I actually cater for, look after the African market, all the English-speaking markets, Africa, United States, Canada, and also the part of Australia and New Zealand. But my colleagues are looking after Asia, Latin America, so we are basically all over the continents.
Gulffood Manufacturing started just a few hours ago. Which are your expectations?
The same as last year, but even better. It was great last year. This year we want to even go further on. We did really well. We met new clients. We have new friends. We want to go further on with that. And I'm quite confident this year is going to be the same, if not better.
Okay, so let's see in the next days. Thank you to Boato Pack and Steve Austin.
Thank you.